Alright guys, check it out. We're over here in our swamp and we caught us a little painted turtle. He came up to check us out.
Say hi to we'll call him Bear because he has very sharp claws.
Yeah, and he was hissing at me.
Maybe we'll see Bear again.
He's gonna put him back in his environment where he's happy.
Oh my god, do you see how fast he went?
Pretty cool. We're over here in the swamp, about to take it over to Silver Lake. What they called Silver Lake, Shenania Lake, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. If you look on the map, you'll see it. We're trying to fight our way through this here area. Hey, what's that? Was that an eagle? That's an eagle.
Yeah, watch out.
Holy ish, that's an eagle. I see it. Do you see his white tail?
Wow.
I wish I would have noticed him sooner. I could have got him on this video I'm filming right now. Well guys, we're over here in the bayou and once again, the eagles came to check us out. That's happened one time when I was fishing. They were just circling us, looking at us. You could see them turning their heads, looking at us. He flew that way, so I'm gathering either him or his mate will fly back. But guys, anyway, we're deep in the bayou, working our way over there, like I said earlier. What do you think about that?
Put your hands or something.
I see the eagle up there circling. See if I could focus in and catch the white on him when the sun hits him. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's two of them up there circling, and you can see the white on their tails and the white on their head as clear as day from where I'm at. Jeez, why did I not bring my telephoto lens, son?
Yeah.
Crapola.
Oh
you see
God.
them suckers? You see the white on his tail?
Yep. Well, I can see on his head and his tail. That is cool. Oh, wow.
Two eagles circling. Out here with your son. Tell me this ain't living right here, buddy. To me, this is it.
Oh, shoot, Dad, watch out.
Hey, there's some purple loosestrife.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
That's an invasive species.
Did you do that? Well, if there's not an opening, I guess we'll just go through the reeds, right?
Yeah, we'll do what we have to do. All right, come on. You see all the stuff we got to fight through? Look up here ahead, though. By golly. Looks like we got a fight on our hands. I'm hoping I can find a channel through there. All right, Bubba. I see that fishing lure. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. See all them little birds chasing I believe a young eagle around?
Yeah.
They're chasing the heck out of it. You see them peg it?
Yeah.
One just came and hit him right on the back. He was probably, oh look at, I hope they're getting this. Them little birds are hitting them while they're flying.
Playing the game of tag.
Shh. Oh, I think I see the nest up in that dead tree up there.
I see it.
Oh. Well guys, it's really, really thick over here. And the truth of the matter is, I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it through here. We're definitely trying, as you can see. We're trying to get through this crap. We just saw a lot of action with the eagles up there. Two big old black looking birds with white tails and white heads flying through.
There has to be big ducks and stuff that find their way through this crap.
And I'll tell you what, we want to find a little spot where we can chill and then catch some cool action. Right, Bubba? All right. Did you hear that?
Yo, what the? Yeah, I did. What the heck was that?
Let's see if he does it again.
Can I make a noise?
What if I start getting pegged by birds?
Can I make a noise and go, right.
Then we'll scare stuff away. Go ahead.
What? Feel that communicating animal.
All right, son, what do you think?
I think we should push through it. Fair argument. What do you think?
He thinks we should push through it. We'll see. I found a little feather floating around. Check it out. We made it through a big old thicket of stuff, guys, but I'm thinking we might have got to the end of the line. My boy seems to be getting a little stressed.
No, I'm not.
We're in the middle of some crap, ain't we? We made it through though, but you see that vegetation up ahead? It's looking much more solid, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
Want me to creep up to the edge of that and see what it looks like over there? I know there's a lake over there, but that vegetation over there is looking tall and thick, bro. Oh, I think it goes that way. These reeds are so thick. Let me go up here and check it out. Where's the eagles now? By golly. That wind feels good, don't it? Yeah, man, I wish the rest of the guys were here to experience this adventure of swampiness.
Dead?
Yeah.
Are you still videoing?
I just stood up in this dang kayak and this crap like a silly guy. But I saw a deer over there. Now I stand up again with the camera and it's gone. But yet, your guy Ty is standing in the kayak in the middle of the swamp like a dumb fool. Hopefully I don't regret it. But I am trying to trudge the best path through this crap to get to that other lake over there. Over there looks like the way, but it's too thick. I see where it looks like something trudged the path over to that little point. I don't know. I know I need to sit my butt back down though, don't I, son?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Now, what if my kayak just crashed into yours and you fell over?
I'd be wet and muddy.
And your camera.
Oh, I see that deer over there again. Since I don't have a telephoto lens on here, you guys won't see it. I see a fawn color straight ahead where I'm looking, and it's a deer. Please don't bump me and make me fall, Tyson. Well, we're back in this crap. Tyson don't want to give up. So, I'm gonna let him go ahead and see what he can do. Worst comes to worst, you get stuck, we get unstuck, right? He's not a quitter. So I'll let him do his dealie. It ain't quitting though. And the adventure was priceless. I just don't think we're gonna be able to get all the way through there without a bunch of crap. So I'm just sitting here relaxing, enjoying the beauty. Oh man, I had it all zoomed in. You guys see what I'm talking about?
I can imagine something horrible.
What?
Us running into a bear.
Oh God, that'd be something, wouldn't it?
Angry bear too. And we're in our kayak from here.
And I'd have to beat a bear up. Where the heck are those eagles? Alright guys, we did the whole Rainbow Lake thing and we weren't able to make it through that channel, so we kayaked all the way from that channel, about the distance of our lake, back into our lake, across our lake into Reed, and now we took Reed Lake over here to where we used to be able to take the boat through during high water into Orchard, but to my surprise,
We're gonna have to walk it.
there's land right here, man, swampy land. And you can see where there's a trail, probably deer and stuff. We're gonna try to see if we could pull the kayaks over to Orchard. I'm just really tired, man.
Push my oars up, and I don't want to step in this muck.
I'm gonna get up and see what the deal is.
Can you pull me real quick?
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm thinking we can do it.
Here, us video us.
Nope.
Make it all the way over.
You want to walk over there and explore first? First time Tyson's ever been to Orchard Lake via boat. Come on, bro.
First time I've ever set foot in Orchard Lake.
Oh yeah, I see deer prints and canine prints. Definitely deer prints. Come on. Yeah, deer prints abound. It's sandy and kind of muddy at the same time. Come on, son. We can drag the kayaks up through here, I'm thinking. We can have traveled via boat to Orchard Lake. Definitely deer traveling this path quite a bit. I'm sure other people may take their boats through here. Beautiful little clearing. Looky, looky, guys. Look at this. Little mucky. Come on, Bubba. Come on. All right, check it out. All right, folks. This is Orchard Lake. Been a long time since I've been in Orchard Lake. And I'll tell you what. I caught the biggest bluegill and the biggest bass I ever caught. We're probably seen in real life over there in their little bayou area. What do you think, son? First time taking a boat and stepping foot in Orchard?
This one's so much warmer.
Because we're in the shallows.
First time I've ever stepped in Orchard.
Oxbow Lake is over that way.
Yeah.
And that little jut of land where I'm pointing over that way, between here and Oxbow is where like a mother bobcat with cubs and a mother bear with cubs was spotted numerous times.
This is the first time I ever put my foot inside of Orchard.
And we did it together, Bubba.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go get our boats and do this. You wanna boat this lake?
Yeah.
You wanna pull the boats over here, or you wanna just?
I want to get the boat and try to fish.
Okay. Ready? Go ahead, Bubba. As you see, young Tyson, he's like, we didn't come all this way for nothing, Dad. He's pulling his boat over to Orchard. So, that's what we're gonna do. Pull our boats on over to Orchard. This blue one isn't too bad. Although it's a little heavier than that one with all the crap I got in there. Out of all the crap I didn't bring, I wish I would have brought some dang food. I'm feeling very hungry. So, I'm gonna let him get his line wet for a little bit. Then, we'll carry these suckers back around. Oh, some little arrow plants. I have to get some of this from my pond, the small version. Anyway, let him get his line wet, catch some fish, and then we gotta go back and eat some food because I'm hungry as heck. Hungry as the dickens. All right, Orchard Lake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, keep it. We could put it on something. Here's your oar. Paddles, whatever you want to call it. I'll get your pole ready. All right, here's Tyson fishing on Orchard Lake for the first time in his life. This is the lake where I caught my largest bass and largest bluegill ever. But that'd be cool if he landed a big lunker of some sort. Rock and roll. Good luck, my son. Splash! Yeah, just reel it so it has a little life. Alright, y'all, he's gonna catch a good old biggin or a big old good one. Which one is it gonna be? Which one's it gonna be, young T? A good old biggin or a big old good one?
Oh, blue heron.
Oh, where? Oh, there he is. Big old blue heron. See him over there going across that shoreline or flying across the lake real low. Don't you know? Well, he's just skimming this lake. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So peaceful. It's about fish o'clock. All right, let's see what happens. Is my boy gonna catch a lunker? I saw a big pike in this lake too. It took a humongous bluegill right off my line.
I don't want to hit you.
You're not. Oh. Yeah, give it another cast over there. Try to get it straight over there. Okay, do what you gotta do, Bubba. Fishing pole in one hand, oars in the other. Look at him. Now that's being creative. Using his chin. All right, there you go, man. Good luck.
Okay. Whoa.
All right.
Hopefully that bird doesn't try to go for it.
Couple good casts over there. I bet you'll land something. Land a good old big one or a big old good one. That's one of them old lures too. How's it feel to be fishing Orchard, man?
Good.
Pretty good. Hanging with your dad.
Oh.
Hope you don't get hooked on those lily pads. Oh, there you go. Now just reel her steady. Nice and steady. Splash! I'll get out of your way. Oh, you got lily pads on it anyway. Bring it in quick so we could get footage of your... See the lily pad stuff hooked to it?
Oh.
Here, I'll get it off. Eagle, by golly. That's an eagle. Too bad I'm like filming right into the dang light. Yep, you see his white tail? Big old eagle circling us, son.
Wow.
Holy moly, guys, that's an eagle. I saw the white tail when it hit the light. Why didn't I notice him when he was real close to us? I do not know. He'll be back. Hey guys, Tyson and I have seen the eagle so much today, it's not even a big deal. Tyson's like, yep, there they are. Yep. Now let's see that 22-inch bass come out this baby. That's what we want to see. See, it's a good old big and big old good. Big old big and, oh my God, that bird just came swooping down. I heard the loons a minute ago. It's getting to be about that time, topwater action time. All right, you might get them little birds that come by and skim along the surface are cooler than heck. Huh, my pump is going off. I wonder why. Oh, I was probably pushing the button on accident. Or my battery is low. We'll see. What's up?
It's all tangled up in...
Oh, in the lily pad?
No, like sticking at it.
Oh, you got a bird's nest? Well, don't turn it. Let me get over there and I might be able to help untangle it. Did you get it?
Not yet.
Some of the trials and tribulations of fishing. What you see there, folks, is a turkey vulture. Oh. Messed it up. Tyson cast it with the wind and it like went for a country mile. I think he snagged on the lily pads. You snagged?
Yeah.
All right, I'll come over there. Yeah, Scott and I used to pull it up over the road over there. Good cast.
What that bird? I was like, wait, how did the bird go up there?
The beauty of the lake. This is Orchard Lake. Where's the orchard? I'm kind of hungry. Like I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd, guys. I'm a nerd. Oh, did you have a fish?
Yeah, I did.
Holy crap.
He was on there, but then he let go.
Cast it straight over there again. You got the fever for fishing again. What do you guys think, man? Any better way to spend a day? Out here on the lake with your sonny boy. Am I in your way?
No.
Okay. Oh, it landed right by me. Maybe I could get a front row seat to the action. Oh wow, something big just surfaced over to my left. Cast it over there again. A young man on the lake fishing with a wonderful time. With a wonderful time to be alive. Did you guys see that? The young man just cast the bait once again. Once again, we shall see. Have I really nerded it up? Acting weird and stuff on my little video. You guys probably can't see it, but I just saw a whole school of minnows. Really cool. They were shimmering in the light. Shimmering in the light. All right, son, good luck. It's beautiful out here, isn't it? Feather I found. Give her another cast, see what's up. My little guy's growing up, look at him. Out here on the lake, going around by himself, fishing, finding fishing spots in the kayak. Reminds me of being young. Me and my friend would spend many a day out here all out by ourselves exploring the area in the boats. Watching my son do that is kind of a treat. Looking at the eagles and stuff fly by on occasion. Be awesome to watch him land a big one. He's done it before. I used to roam around in our lake and he'd be slamming them. Big old bass. We let them go because we don't eat them. We just catch them and let them go. Bring it on in, kiddo. One just hit the line on the previous cast. Maybe this would be the money. I just heard something behind me. Holy crap. There's some big bass over here by the shore. Getting little minnows. Crazy. Hey Bubba, I think it's almost bass o'clock. I'm starting to hear them going after the little ones by the shoreline. Just keep casting towards your dock and stuff. They'll come out and get them. Or you want to go, you want to move. Check it out. Me and young Ty, we finally made it out of Orchard over there. Made it through reeds over there. And now we're in the middle of our lake. In the deep part. By golly. We're almost to the cottage and it's time for some dang gone food. We're both quite hungry. We both earned it. So we'll sign out and talk to you later.